you tired of constantly recharging your Ring camera batteries? Today, we're reviewing the 2-pack 6,040 mAh replacement battery with charger station, a versatile power solution for your Ring devices. This kit includes 2 high-capacity rechargeable batteries and a dual charging station, designed to keep your cameras running with minimal downtime. First, let's talk about capacity. These batteries boast a genuine 6,040 mAh, which is significantly higher than the original Ring batteries. That means longer runtimes between charges. In our testing, we found that a fully charged battery lasted about 25% longer than the stock ones before needing a swap. Perfect for high-traffic areas where you don't want to miss a moment. The charging station is a game changer. It can charge 2 batteries simultaneously, and with the hot swap method, you can change batteries in seconds. The station is compatible with original Ring batteries too, so you can mix and match. It uses any USB-C cable, giving you flexible charging options, wall adapter, power bank, or even a laptop. Full charge takes about 4 hours, which is reasonable. Compatibility is impressive. This set works with a wide range of Ring devices, including Video Doorbell 2, 3, 3 Plus, 4, Battery Doorbell Plus and Pro, all generations of stick-up cam and spotlight cam, Peephole Cam, and even Solar Floodlight. We tested it on a Video Doorbell 4 and a stick-up cam, and both fit perfectly, with a secure lock and no rattling. Installation is straightforward. It's exactly like replacing a Ring battery. The batteries are rated at 3.65 volts, which matches the original specs. We also appreciated the build quality. Premium cells ensure consistent performance, and the connectors are solid. One thing to note, while the charger can handle original batteries, the fast charging is optimized for these 6,040 mAh cells. If you're using original batteries, they'll charge just fine, but might take a little longer. The package includes 2 batteries, a charger station, and a USB-C cable. For the price, this is an excellent value, especially considering the convenience of having a spare set. No more waiting for a single battery to charge while your camera is down. In summary, if you own multiple Ring cameras, this 2-pack with charger station is a smart investment. It extends battery life, reduces downtime, and is compatible with most Ring models. We highly recommend it. Check the link in the description to get yours today.